Hi there, in this video I will show you how to install WordPress from the Hostinger dashboard on any domain. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you never miss upcoming videos. First of all, log into your Hostinger account. Once the dashboard is open, go to the website section. Here click on add website. Now you will see multiple options. Select WordPress. On the next screen, you will see two options, create a website, migrate a website. Since we are installing WordPress from scratch, select create a website, then click next. Now again, you will see two options related to WordPress. Select WordPress and click next. Now select your website language. You can choose English or any language you prefer. After that, enter your admin email, create a strong password. Once done, click next. Here Hostinger will ask how you want to start. Select create blank website. This is best for beginners because you get a clean WordPress installation without extra content. Now comes the important part. In the search bar, type the domain name on which you want to install WordPress. Once your domain appears, select it. Now simply click on install WordPress. That's it. In just a few seconds, WordPress will be installed automatically. Once the process is complete, you will be redirected to the WordPress dashboard. Now you have successfully installed WordPress on your domain using Hostinger. So this is how you can install WordPress on any domain using Hostinger easily and professionally. So make sure you are subscribed and I will see you in the next one.